Here is examples of the whiskers that I sell in my Etsy shop. And the whiskers that I sell are made out of nylon, and they come in a bundle like this. Though the black and the clear do come in little packages, and you can just remove them from the clip by just pulling them from this end like that. And then you can have a flat iron or a regular iron, and then you can straighten them out. The whiskers are really easy to use. They also come in several colors. Like I have two other examples here. This is blue, and then this is yellow. And then here also is the clear ones and the black ones. And they're highly flexible. You can run your finger along them. Even these ones you can do as well. So they don't snap or anything like that. They're really, really easy to use. To use them, all you have to do is cut the tip off at an angle, just like this. So you have like this sharp angle that's right here, and you can discard this portion. And then all you have to do, so here's a piece of fake fur in the foam. Just part your fur, and then you can stick it straight into the backing, just like that. And there's no damage to it, it just sticks straight in. See? Just like that. So if I was to remove this, there's no damage at all to either the backing or the piece of foam. And so as your whiskers get bent or used, then that way you can replace them as you need to. And the whiskers are really easy to manipulate, so if they do get bent or anything like that, you can straighten them back out with your fingers a little bit. It does help if you have heat involved, so if you have a hair flat iron or anything like that to heat them up, you can. I've also used a lighter to heat them up and kind of bend them back into shape as well, but depends on your comfort level, of course. And so the whiskers do have slightly different thicknesses. The black ones are a little tiny bit thicker than the other ones. And here's also the clear one by comparison as well. But all of the whiskers are pretty easy to use. So you cut that off at an angle, poke it into your fur backing, just like that. And then once you have several whiskers in place, let's see here, put a couple whiskers in place here. So just do a few. Then you can then shape them just like that. And they stay very well. So if you want whiskers that don't pull out as easily, you can take a razor blade and then you can barb them just a little bit. Be very careful during this process. You don't want to hurt yourself or cut your finger or anything. See, just right there I've got a few barbs. So you can put the whiskers in, but it is more difficult to pull the whiskers out as a result. There we go. I hope this helps, and I hope this is great information on the use of these nylon whiskers that I carry. Happy crafting!